A very warm good morning to all of you. Present here, the President and the Trustee of Noble Group of Institutions, Madhwani sir, Gujarati Medium Principal Nilesh sir, all teachers and students. We all are gathered here to celebrate 15th August. That is the day we remember, like we got the freedom from the British rule. Many things we know about history, that many martyrs, many people gave their life for our freedom. If you read the history, you will come to know that the freedom what we have got and what we are enjoying at present has taken its toll. We have given a big cost for that. Now we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. That means for last 75 years we have been enjoying the freedom which our martyrs, which the freedom fighters have given us. Now what else we can add to it? The time was then that they had to fight with the foreign people. The time has changed after 75 years of independence. Now the scene has changed. Now we have to fight with the different things we are facing. Freedom should come in the mind first. Then it will be coming to the surrounding. We all need to be free. It is told that we all are born free, and then socially and slowly we get some or other bondages. We get the social bondage, we get the language bondage, we get the religion bondage, and slowly it comes to the many parts. So there we have to think, are we free there? With mind. We need freedom. More freedom is needed from mind. And as suggested by sir, we have to work. We don't have to think that we are students and what we can do for the freedom. No. Wherever you are, whatever the place you are in, whatever the people you are surrounded with, you can definitely give your contribution to the nation. We are at present also facing many problems. We need to think judiciously, we need to think logically where and what we can do for our nation. And it is our responsibility to continue this legacy of the freedom what we have got. I will end up my speech with two lines of song which I had heard yesterday. अनोखा निराला हमारा वतन, हमें जानो दिल से भी प्यारा वतन, न आलम से मतलब न दुनिया से मतलब, हमारे लिए बस हमारा वतन, अनोखा निराला हमारा वतन. Keep this fervor in your mind and enjoy the freedom what we have got, and let us all work together to continue this legacy. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.